They say good things come in pairs. Wine and cheese, pizza and beer, tequila and lime, and Aebleskiver and motorcycles. Welcome to Solvang, California, a town that was established in 1911 by 3 Danish immigrants in the Santa Ynez Valley. Let's start with these round, ball-shaped treats that you'll find all over town here in Solvang. Aebleskiver is a traditional Danish delicacy consisting of pancake batter that is skillfully prepared with a generous amount of jelly added to the center and garnished with a dust of powdered sugar. They are traditionally enjoyed in Danish holidays, particularly during Christmas time. But here in Solvang, you can get them from almost every restaurant year-round. And yes, you have to pronounce it to eat it. After that delicious treat, I need to do some sightseeing. This is the Solvang Motorcycle Museum.
Get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
It showcases some of the most beautiful and unique motorcycles I've ever seen. This collection of vintage motorcycles belongs to Virgil Ellings, a retired physicist, professor, and inventor who also happens to be a big fan of motorcycles. I had to ask, how many of these motorcycles still work? The answer? Most of them except for a handful of replicas. So there you have it, the perfect pair. A match made in Solvang.
Calm down, my head in my hands now. Play it back, I still can't see